what I want to do is I want to associate this particular lecture because it is so complicated. And if you look at this, man, Professor Paul, you got all these green and yellow and red and purple and blue. What in the world is all of this? Man, you know, if I was a little boy and I came in here, hey man, that's my toys. What you do with my toys? But hello, the point is I'm going to use these to get my message across. And to do this, first of all, I'm going to share a little story or a little picture, you know, referring to this. Okay? Okay, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this visual to kind of like show you an image of what happens when protein synthesis occurs. And the image that I'm giving you is I got the United States of America here. Okay, and then I have certain parts in the United States of America here in Texas, and we're going to say San Antonio, Texas, is where the nucleus is going to be, where the DNA is going to make messenger RNA, and then this messenger RNA is going to go out here through the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean, which is really part of your cytoplasm in your nucleus, and then going to go out here to Puerto Rico, and we're going to make Puerto Rico as the ribosome. And right here at Puerto Rico on the ribosome, the messenger RNA is going to wrap itself around Puerto Rico. And then here at Puerto Rico, the message that's being brought in is going to be translated. Okay? And the reason that it's translated is because the majority of the workers we have here in Puerto Rico, they speak Espanol. Okay? So it's got to be translated. And the way it's going to be translated is with a tRNA. And then from here, the tRNA is going to pick up these triplets here, which represent the amino acids, and package into a protein, and then brought out here to this port we're going to call New York City, up here, the Golgi apparatus. The same way with over here in Detroit, there's also an assembly plant where the parts of the car are going to be put together. And what I'm going to use as an example with a car is what we're coding for right here in Texas, which is what determines what this car seat is going to look like, and that's what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be using a car seat that fits inside the car, okay, the same way. This protein that we're going to make is going to be part of somebody's body, okay? And this protein, of course, is coded right here in the example that I have here on the table. Okay, very good. Now,